Hey guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, we're going to be chatting all about gel allergies. I'm also going to be doing some fun Halloween nail art with Miss Marla Chris. We did another Halloween collab with the theme of bats, cats, and spiders. Today's video is the last giveaway celebration video for the month of October, and it is sponsored by the Nail Reserve. I am so grateful, so thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sponsoring today's video and a giveaway. They will be giving one of you guys 8 gel polishes, so you will get to select your colors and they will ship it right to you. Here are the ones that they sent over to me, and they are so perfect for fall. I'll be using Revel Nails Dip Powder Liquids today and the shade Erica. So this will be my base foundation underneath my gel polish art. So while I do my dip powder application process, I want to chat with you guys about gel allergies. Mind you, I am not a licensed professional. I am not a doctor. I am not an anything except for just a DIYer. So if you have experienced anything of this nature, absolutely go see a medical professional. What I'm going to share with you is just my own personal experience, things I've learned, things I've gathered from others in our community, but I think it's important to bring awareness to the topic, especially since I am featuring gel products. So gel allergies can appear in many different ways and different severities. For example, it could be itchy skin, red bumps, your natural nail lifting away from your nail plate. So if you experience anything like that, it could be a possible gel allergy. Again, definitely go see a licensed medical professional. For me personally, I experienced it with a sore nail bed when I used certain brands that had certain ingredients, and I felt like someone had smashed my nails. And the moment I removed the product, I felt this instant relief. So with that being said, it could be that you have a sensitivity to the ingredients in the products. And it's not so easy to just narrow it down to one ingredient because there are many that can cause this gel sensitivity, but just something to be aware of when you're shopping for gel products. The next thing I want to chat about is something that's more of a preventative measure. So I see these little lamps that are super trendy right now for applying gel extensions. They're great for when you can't put both of your hands under the lamp and it hardens the gel into place. But you guys, those are just for flash curing. You still need to do a full cure and your normal size regular watt lamp. What can happen is the gel is not properly curing all the way, especially if you're using one of those teeny tiny lamps. So be sure you are still using a full watt lamp to do a full cure. And speaking of curing, one of the things that I would suggest as well for darker gel polish shades is to do longer cure times, whether that be 90 seconds on your lamp. I always cure for at least 60, but darker shades may need longer in the lamp so that they can fully and properly cure on the nail. Another possible cause of a gel allergy due to not curing all the way can be due to application. So if you apply gel polish or gel top coat, what have you, too thick, it cannot bond properly in your lamp. So it's important to make sure we do thin, even layers with gel. If you've had your lamp for quite a while, it may be time to grab a new one. If you feel like your gel isn't curing all the way, it could be your bulbs are burnt out, or maybe you need a higher wattage lamp. So don't be afraid to have to maybe upgrade and get a different lamp if you are noticing that your gel is not curing all the way or properly. My last little bit on this topic is going to be about overexposure. I know a lot of people who say, well, I've been using this product and it's never given me an issue before, so it's definitely not that. But you guys, it can happen from overexposure. So over time, it being on your nail or on your skin, it can happen over time. It's not necessarily going to be the first time you touch that gel product. It can be from constant overexposure on your skin. Something so simple as, let's say if I got this on my skin right now and I went to go clean it off with my right hand. That overexposure of cleaning it off under your nail, I know that's such an easy, quick but it is such a bad habit. We have to use a brush, and if you notice you're doing that, cleaning it up with your other hand, put a glove on your other hand to prevent that constant overexposure of the gel product under your nail. It's very important when we're using gel products to not get it on your skin. And if you do get it on your skin, clean it up with a brush. Don't use your other hand to wipe it off. Use a cleanup brush and absolutely clean it off your skin before curing. All right, y'all, that's my spiel. I had to get it out there. I feel as though as a community, we have to bring awareness to certain topics so that we can all just be DIYers in our happy little place and have fun with beautiful nails. Speaking of beautiful nails, I went a little ham on this design. I know I could have done either bats, spiders, or cats, and of course I had to do them all. Another little tidbit I want to share here, besides the fact that this is just a stunning glitter, is when you're using gel products to avoid getting it on your skin, my advice besides thin layers, so you notice I wipe more product off, is start towards that free edge of your nail first and then guide the product back. Don't apply it right there at your cuticle area or sidewall first, because the moment that you pull that brush out of the bottle, that is the moment where it has the most product on it. If you start that right there, you run the risk of getting it on your skin. So again, I'm going to start it at my free edge, getting the most product off right there, and then working my way back towards my cuticle area. Notice I'm wiping more product off, so that excess product, so that I get only a thin layer of gel polish on my nails, and then we're going to cure. So I cure for 60 seconds and then go in for my second coat. I follow the same steps, starting at my free edge and working my way back. Another little piece of advice with gel polish would be to use a fine line. So those brushes that I was using for my art, use one of those brushes to go around your sidewall and cuticle area, so you get that really hugged up, tight, crisp, clean look without running the risk of using one of these brushes and getting it on your skin. Once I'm done with it, then I cure for 60 seconds and move on to my gel top coat. I really love the Nail Reserve's top coat. It's got that really high gel polish shine, and I find the formula to be very easy to use. It just glides right on top of the nail. And speaking of that, when I'm doing gel polish on top of art, so it's kind of an uneven surface, I like to float the product across the entire nail and then flip my hand over. This allows the gel to float across all of those art pieces and still have an even surface before I cure. Don't forget to go check out Marla Chris's video. It's going to be down in my description box. We're always joking about how we're yin and yang. So per usual, she went with spooky, scary, this awesome Halloween manicure, and I end up with cutesy, spooky per usual. But definitely go check hers out and go show her some love. And to enter today's video giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what nail color you would wear. If you could only wear one for the rest of your life, what would it be? And thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sponsoring today's video, sending me over all of these gorgeous products that I got to play with and feature. I can't wait for one of you guys to get to try them out and pick your 8 colors. And thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you found today's video helpful, that we can still have fun, have beautiful nails, but we gotta be safe about it. So thank y'all again. I'm gonna show you a clip here of this in natural lighting and then also with the flash. Have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all next week.